Welcome to my channel. For the upcoming videos, please subscribe my channel. Usually in my channel, I give you the latest updates on abroad education, latest technologies, scholarships from different universities and different organizations, job vacancies in different companies. So these are all given in my videos. In the present video, I would like to talk about 7 thrifty tips for studying abroad in Sweden on a budget. Tips for studying in Sweden for almost free. Sweden consistently ranks high in the list of countries in the world that are the happiest, healthiest, most innovative, most sustainable, and offer the best quality of life. Swedish culture nurtures and encourages qualities like creativity, mindfulness, critical thinking, innovation, and entrepreneurship, and strives to create a healthy work-life balance for the overall well-being of its people. While diversity and inclusion are important positive traits of Swedish society, the fact that English is widely spoken around the country also makes it easy for foreigners to live here and to study abroad in Sweden in English. It is no surprise then that the idea of studying abroad in Sweden with hopes of possibly finding employment there after graduation would appeal to many students looking to pursue a degree overseas. Sweden, home to the prestigious academic distinction of the Nobel Prize, has long been associated with the highest academic standards available in the world. The country offers bachelor's, master's and PhD programs in a broad range of specializations such as global change, aeronautical engineering, agricultural economics, philosophy, applied physics, information technology, biodiversity, creative writing, music, opera, and George among others. Find affordable tuition and scholarships in Sweden. Sweden offers affordable tuition and scholarships. You might be surprised to learn that often tuition fees in Sweden are more affordable than those in the US. Also, both application and tuition fee are waived for certain categories of applicants, so it's best to check if you fall into one of those. For example, if you have been granted a temporary Swedish residence permit for a reason other than studies, or a European Economic Area, or Swiss citizen, have family that is a EU, European Union, or European Economic Area citizen with the right of residence in Sweden, or plan to pursue a PhD in Sweden, you are not required to pay application or tuition fees. If you don't fall into one of these categories, it is worth checking if you are eligible for scholarships to study in Sweden. Scholarships are offered by the government-owned Swedish Institute, individual universities in Sweden, as well as international organizations, trusts and foundations. Depending on your country's citizenship, specialization and academic merit, you might be eligible for a partial or fully funded scholarship. How to find affordable housing in Sweden? Housing is a major component of your study abroad budget. Once you have decided to live in Sweden, your first priority should be to find affordable accommodation, preferably close to your university. Begin your search by consulting your university to check if they offer any student accommodation for international students or can put you in touch with student housing companies that offer significantly cheaper options for students. Usually, when you are going to get visa of a particular country and a particular university, definitely senior students will follow you in Facebook. You don't worry about accommodate, accommodation. Accommodation may be cheaper or costly. It depends on the city in which you are going to live. How to find affordable housing in Sweden? Expect to pay between $300 to $800 per month towards rent, depending on the city, location, and type of accommodation. In Stockholm, you can expect to pay a considerably higher amount in the city center because long-term rentals 6 months and longer are in high demand in areas such as Norma, Vasanstan, touristic Galmastan, or the posh neighborhood of Ostermalm. Next, the next point is consider working part-time to defray costs. Most study abroad students may wonder if they are allowed to work part-time while studying. The good news is that this is possible in Sweden as long as you have a residence permit. But the competition for part-time jobs is notoriously high, especially in student towns. Begin with speaking to the career advisor at your university for any leads. Attend career fairs organized by your university or independent fairs in your city. Use any networking opportunities within your university, student clubs, or social circles to look for jobs. Check out the notice boards of public libraries. Make a list of companies you are interested in working for and reach out to them with an expression of interest explaining why you would think you would be a good fit. Consider a short internship at a reputed company in the beginning. It could open the doors to new long-term opportunities in the future. You can also look for job openings on websites such as academicwork.se and Arbetsformidlingen. It is important to note that some level of competency in Swedish language will go a long way in helping you to find a job in Sweden, even though English is widely spoken around the country. Most employers will find it impressive that you are taking the effort to learn Swedish even if you are not fluent at the time of application. Being fluent in conversational Swedish is a huge plus that can tip a higher decision in your favor. There are tons of free things to do in Stockholm and entertainment does not have to burn a hole in your pocket for you to have a good time in the city. Sign up with interesting student clubs at your university to join fun events, meet new people, and learn new skills such as language club to practice your Swedish. Embrace the Swedish way. Moving abroad to study or work may seem daunting, especially if the culture is completely foreign and the city is known to be one of the most expensive in the world. But the high quality of life and overall well-being in Stockholm and other Swedish cities and the opportunity to live abroad as well as a global citizen makes this a worthwhile endeavor. Armed with these tips to study and live on a budget, you can make your dreams to study abroad in Sweden a reality. If you find this video interesting and useful, please click on like, subscribe and share among your friends. Please press the bell icon for the upcoming videos. Wish you all the best. May God bless you. Thank you for watching my video.